My name's Lincoln Kirby. We run Barra Blue fishing charters out of Dundee Beach up in Darwin, Northern Territory. We've got 3 dedicated vessels at the moment. We've got the Contender 25T, we've got a 760 Eliminator and a 7.8 metre hooker as well, all running Mercuries. Dundee Beach, I mean, it's probably got all your options right on your doorstep, basically. I've fished all around Australia, as has, my guide Kurt, and he still reckons this is one of the best spots in Australia to fish. You've got Barra on your doorstep, 20 minutes from the boat ramp. We're stuck into some world-class Barra fishing. You've got billfish, sails and marlin just offshore. You've got great reef fish, all your reds, trout, and there's heaps of big black jewfish all the time as well. So, we've got pelagics, we've got reef fish, we've got Barra. Within half an hour, we can be targeting everything that you want to catch. Yes, I mean, we're all about reliability. That's our big thing. We've got clients that have booked these trips 6 months in advance, and we want to make sure we can get them out every day, no breakdowns, no cancellations. We're doing sort of 200 days a year on the water, putting 1,000 hours a year on the motors. So we definitely need that reliability. Fuel economy is a big thing for us as well. We're doing a lot of Ks, to get out where we want to go. We've got big, fast boats so we can get to the good spots, take the clients out and give them a good experience. So that's what it all comes down to. It was about 2 years ago now, we swapped over to the Mercs. We swapped over to the Verado first, and then last year we put SeaPros on our 2 bigger boats. And so far so good. It's been great. We've had no issues at all. It's been reliable. Definitely seen that 20 to 30% increase in fuel economy, I reckon, at this stage, which is a big saving in our back pocket. Had some great service from Mercury Marine. That's probably one of the big reasons we swapped over, because of the local dealer. They look after us. They make sure if we do have a breakdown, they're basically straight onto it, fixing it. It's getting us back out there. So, that was a big reason for us going over to Mercury. Yeah, so with the big blocks, definitely noticed, going from a 4-cylinder to a 6-cylinder, the boat's so much quicker up out of the hole. They're working less, so you're getting better fuel economy, basically. They run smoother, they're running at lower revs, and then that power is there when you need it. If like we've got a big storm coming and it's getting a bit bumpy and you've got to get out of there, you can put the hammer down and you've got that horsepower there to get you out of it too. Yeah, I mean, on average, I sort of worked it out. We were looking at least $100 to $150 a day per boat. So, over the 3 boats, it's huge, $450 a day over 200 days, it definitely adds up. And that reliability as well, if you've got motor issues and you have to cancel a charter, that's $2,000, $3,000 out of your pocket straight away for the day. So being able to have those boats go out every day with no issues, that's a big thing, that helps us. So just be able to run standard 91 is great, because over the 3 boats we do use quite a fair bit of fuel. They're a robust engine, we don't have to use high octane fuel or anything, so it's a big advantage for us using that 91. Yeah, I mean, that was another big reason we jumped over to Mercury. The 3-year commercial warranty is huge for us, because we are doing a lot of kilometres, and so far we haven't had to use any warranty claims, which has been great. But I think, once we get to the 3 years, I reckon we'll probably, see how the hours are going. We'll probably turn them over and put new motors on. That's a big bonus I've found, being able to check the oil easy. Like if you're out on the water, just your little hatch at the top to pull the dipstick. Engine oil's really easy to drain now. Gear oil's straightforward. After a big day's fishing, they don't want to be sitting there mucking around for ages. So get in, get it done, and, make it easy for us, which makes everything smooth. Yeah, well, I found that just driving it myself is a lot smoother, definitely, a lot easier gear changes, especially, if you're chasing billfish or you're up the rivers chasing Barra. It's nice being able to have that smooth throttle control. Having the active trim's been great on the motors. That's a real bonus. I found, especially with the new boat, running that Seakeeper ride along with active trim, rides perfectly. Like, we've had so many comments for a plate boat. This boat rides better than half the fiberglass boats. So you're getting a great ride out of that, and I think that's due to the active trim and the Seakeeper ride. Yeah, so we've had that Verado for a good year and a half now, and it's really transformed that boat, basically. I love the Verado with the advanced midsection. The V8's amazing. It's got heaps of torque straight out of the water. The hooker's quite a heavy fiberglass hull, so having that V8 power to get straight up on the plane, I definitely think that helps with our fuel economy. There's no sort of sitting up on the plane, it's straight up out of the hole. Yeah, it's been fantastic. The power steering is great, especially up the rivers. We're fishing some tight little creeks in a 7.5 metre boat, and that Mercury power steering is, it's amazing. Come see us on social media, is a great platform. Come see us on Facebook. We're uploading lots of good, fresh content on Facebook and Instagram all the time. Otherwise, jump on our website, www.barrablue.com.au, and otherwise just give us a ring anytime, find our phone number. We love to have a chat. We like to cater our trip to what you want to do, whether you want to do predominantly Barra or if you want to do mostly blue water, just have a chat to us. And, we've got accommodation options. We can do the whole lot, meals, accommodation, charters. Pick you up from the airport. All you got to do is get on the plane and we'll take care of the rest.